Hey, how are you doing? I'm fine. What about you? Me too. Could you please tell me where you purchased your furniture from? It's so satisfying and appealing. Yes, sure. The whole furniture in my office is done by Infinite Space Solution. Oh, yes, I have heard about this company many times before too. Could you tell me more about what services they offer? ISS is the most trusted 9001:2015 certified and mainly deals with the conception and manufacturing of furniture and allied products for interiors. Moreover, quality assurance as well as client satisfaction at an affordable price is the primary goal. They are committed to quality assurance at every stage, right from the concept creation to final appearances. Great! Could you tell me about the product range? Yes, why not? They offer a variety of services like joinery woodwork, modular furniture system, furniture for the conference, boardroom, seminar halls, libraries, canteens, executive chairs for workstations, and many more. Wonderful! They are offering almost each and every type of furnituring. Could you please tell me their contact details so that I can check them out? Contact us on 988 600 644. Link http://www.issinteriors.com.